look like you're in a studio, maybe in Omaha, Nebraska or something. The shot is so clear. Is this a hoax? Are you really in space still?
See the hair?
I don't know. We're going to have to do something for you.
Yeah.
I want to do it. I know.
Oh, yeah, I can do that. Watch this.
I want to do it. We'll see you back here in St. Louis.
Okay, every...
It's great talking with you guys. Well, I don't know how it affects the aging process, but you certainly do feel good up here. It's amazing, really. I think one of the things I found about spaceflight was coming back to Earth and feeling what gravity is like and how much it's just pulling you down to the planet and weighing you down. And of course, up here we're in free fall. We're floating around in 0G, and it's a lot of fun and probably makes us look a little better too.